Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's with me is a new Pixel 9 Pro phone. And I believe I'm the first Vietnamese person who able to have it on hand today. So I'm going to do a quick unboxings for the new Pixel 9 Pro phone to see what's inside. The one I got is the black color, so that's why the outside is black as well. I believe the other one is like white, so you should have a brighter color as the outside box, and it's a 256 gigabyte. I don't really use much storage. Everything I use as cloud storage. So okay, so to unbox it, have two little things right here. So it will be slide to open. Okay. The box quality is totally different than like Apple product or other phones product that I ever unboxed before. It feels really like, paper, like really recycled paper. I mean, it's a cheap quality box, to be honest with you. But yeah, and our main things right here, which later on, give it a side. Inside the box we have the cable. This I believe is 3 feet USB-C to USB-C cable. Some checkbook, like guidance, and I believe there should be a SIM card right there. Nothing special, just trash for most of the people. But that's it. There's no docks charging, and probably I don't really need it. So that's our main things. The main purposes for today. Keep the shield. And here we go. Dang, it's really thin. As you can see, like here's my Apple Watch Pro Ultra, and it's even thinner. Wow. Amazing. The inside, the inner display, the outer display. This is my very first foldable phone that I ever purchased. Before I were looking at like Galaxy Z Fold 6, but when I know that Google going to refresh their new foldable phone this year, so I still hold on to it and didn't buy the foldable one from Samsung. And I mean, it look amazing. It feels, I don't know what material it is. I guess it's like, it sounds like plastic. No, aluminum. It's not aluminum, it's like glass. I'm quite not sure. Have to do some research online, but yeah. First phone. How so scared. Oh. Ooh. Wow. Let me do it again so that you can hear it. Really satisfied. The build quality is top notch. I don't see any gap or any scratches or like yeah, it's built really, really beautiful. Feel really good in hand as well. Just like a normal iPhone. To be honest, I think it's the same size and H. I using the iPhone Pro 15 right here to recording, but I believe, let me see. Yeah, so it's a little bit higher than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's about the same wide of the 15 Pro Max, and about the I think it's even smaller than the, it's about the same thickness of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but that first impression. I'm booting it up right now. So that's probably the videos for today. I probably spent some time, maybe a week or so, to test and review and perform and try to do as much like photo shooting, videos recording using the Pixel 9 Pro phone, and hopefully I'll be able to give you guys more information about the new Pixel 9 Pro phone. Probably so far this is my favorite one. God dang. It's still not confident enough to like closing it, but hopefully I get used to it after a week. That will be it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.